John Cena shaved his head ahead of his second hair transplant procedure, explaining, "This time I went all in for best possible results." The Peacemaker star shaved off all of his signature brown locks ahead of his second hair transplant, debuting his shaved dome in a photo with Dr. Ken Anderson, who will be performing the follicular unit extraction procedure. Round 2 of FUE treatment, and this time I went all in for best possible results, Cena captioned the snapshot on X June 29. "Thank you Ken Anderson and the staff at Anderson Center for Hair for accompanying me on this journey." In response, Anderson praised the 49-year-old for his commitment to the process and long-term hair health. "Always great seeing you, my friend," the hair restoration surgeon added in his reply. "I'm grateful for the trust you've placed in me and my team, and honored to continue being part of your journey." Indeed, this was not the first time Cena worked with Anderson on his hair needs. The WWE legend underwent his first hair transplant with the doctor in November 2024 after facing criticism from wrestling fans over what Cena described as a bald spot on his head. "You guys ripped me to shreds for a genetic problem that I can't control," Cena quipped to the audience during a public taping of the Pat McAfee show in April 2025. "In unison, you chant and make me feel small and embarrass me."